This is the letter K, like koala. The letter K can stand for the K sound that we hear at the beginning of koala. What is the name of this letter? It is the letter K. What sound does the letter K make? It makes the K sound. Notice down here it shows the letters CK. Sometimes CK comes at the end of the word and it also makes the K sound. Let's look at some examples of that. This is a picture of a lock. Everyone say lock with me. Ready? Lock. Let's look at the word lock. See how lock ends in that CK sound? That makes the K sound. So we have L, A, K, lock. And that's how we would sound that word out and blend it. This is the word lock. Everyone say lock with me. Ready? Lock. Now let's look at that word. We have O makes the O sound. O makes the R sound. La. And then we have the CK. CK together makes the K sound. So we have O, R, lock. So that makes blends and makes the word lock. Look at this picture. It is a sock. Look at the word sock. S makes the S sound, O makes the R sound, and CK together makes the K sound. So we have sock. Sock is the word. What sound does C and K together make? It makes the K sound. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to say some words, and if what I say begins with a K sound, you're going to write the letter K on your dry erase board. This is the lowercase k. Remember, this is the uppercase, and this is the lowercase. We're going to practice writing our lowercase k, which is like this. If the word ends in the K sound, you're going to write CK for that one. So here is the first word. Keep. Say that with me. Keep. Did you hear the K at the beginning of that word? Go ahead and write your lowercase k, because keep begins with the K sound. Here's the next one. Lock. Lock. Say that with me. Ready? Lock. Lock ends with the K sound. So write CK, because lock ends with the CK, making the K sound. Here is another one. King. Say that with me. Ready? King. King begins with the K sound. So we're going to write the letter K because it begins with the K sound. Here is another one. Key. Say the word key with me. Ready? Key. Key begins with the K sound. So we are going to write the lowercase k. Here is another one. Nest. Say the word nest with me. Nest. Nest does not begin with K and it does not end in K. So we are not going to write anything. Here is another one. Doll. Say that with me. Doll. It's like I opened the door and saw the mailman. Doll does not begin with K and it does not end in k, so we will not be writing anything. Here is another one. Kite. Say that with me. Kite. Kite begins with the k sound, so we are going to write just our lowercase k because it begins in the k sound. Here is another one. Sick. Say that with me. Sick. Sick ends in the k sound, so we are going to write ck. Now let's find out how many we wrote that were just k's and how many we wrote that were just ck's. K's we had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 k's. How many ck's did we find? 1, 2. We found 2 ck's. How many did we find altogether? 4 plus 2 equals 4, 5, 6. We found 6 k sounds altogether between the first and the last. Look at this activity. You do not need to write these, you just need to watch. K makes the k sound. I makes the I sound. And T makes the T sound. So we have k, it, kit. Kit is the word. Now we're going to change the T and we're going to put a D on the end of it. So K makes the k sound, I makes the I sound, D makes the D sound. Kid, kid, kid is the word. Now let's look at another word family. L makes the L sound. O makes the R sound. And CK together makes the K sound. So we have L, R, K. So when we write it, L, R, K, lock. The 3 sounds together make lock. Let's look at another one. We're going to change the L to an R. R makes the L. O makes the R, and CK make K. R, lock is the word. Let's look at another word. We're still working in the ending arc. Here we have S makes the S sound, O makes the R sound, and CK together make the K sound. So we have S, R, K. So when we write the word together, S, R, K, sock is our word, like the sock that you wear on your foot underneath your tennis shoe. Thank you for doing this activity with me today, boys and girls. Have a great day.